So, hey, listen, everybody watching today, I wanted to just tell you that we thought one of the best ways for you to understand how these business problems can be solved is actually to show you a little bit of an example of the EARHART solution product. And then we're going to talk about what's the value of it and what people would use it and why you would use it. So let's take a quick peek at what the solution really consists of. Can you tell us in these next two slides, Luis, on what is the scope of the solution that you're going to show people in just a minute?
Yes, we have a modular approach. So we build models for airworthiness organizations, for operators, for maintenance. Well, we have 13 models programmed. We have 3 models already working or almost ready to be working. And we have this modular approach. So, but basically, these all models are almost cover almost the entire aviation ecosystem. We have lessors, we have authorities, we have airworthiness organizations, we have maintenance, we have operators. So we have a lot of models to cover all the scope.
And then I think our next slide kind of shows the scope of it. Yeah, right.
Yeah. So, and what we do is to bring up this solution to protect everybody's data, to be somehow a digital twin, a reliable digital twin, because the data will be immutable, to connect the data between all these stakeholders. Because if I am maintenance, I can connect the data to the operator, and the operator can connect the data to the lessor, for example. And we connect all this data together. We protect the data and make it traceable, ensures the back to birth of all the data. And we build all these features to comply with the rules of the regulators, because we help them to comply all of this.